बायो इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट easiest सब्जेक्ट, स्टिल आपकी इतनी खराब क्यों है? तो पीपल टेलिंग मी कि मेरे बायो में 270 आ रहे हैं, 250 आ रहे हैं, 360 के सब्जेक्ट में जो इतना इजी है, इतना प्यारा है, यू स्टिल स्कोरिंग दिस लेस is something that bothers me. Not much actually, but the other thing that bothers me is you're so concerned about physics, chemistry, and mostly physics. That is such a low yield thing. Still, you're very concerned, but something that's so high yield, that's biology, that you totally skip. I read somewhere that something that has 360 numbers in it should not be painted, that you never understand it later. So this is the biology strategy, that I went through. So basically from last 4-5 days what I did was I went through most like एक ही चैप्टर के मैं 4-5 अलग अलग तरीके से उनको पढ़ने की कोशिश करती थी, और 2-3 चैप्टर जो मैंने नहीं पढ़े थे उनके साथ मैंने ये किया, ताकि आई गेट टू नो दैट विच स्ट्रैटेजी इज गुड. सो जो पिछली मेरी वीडियोस थी ऑन बायोलॉजी गॉट क्रिटिसाइज्ड अ लॉट, सो आई वाज वेरी कंसर्न्ड ऑन दैट पार्ट कि I don't know if I'm right person to give you that strategy. So I made sure I went through everything. But at the end, I went through NCRT. मैंने lectures देखे NCRT वाले जो mark lectures होते हैं. मैंने normal lectures देखे. मैंने long lectures देखे. At the end, my strategy was the best I found. I swear to God, that's so quick. But this is for people who are scoring 100, 150, 200. I think, 200. That you can use this strategy, complete your syllabus, and then jump to the deeper section. But for people scoring 300, please आप अपनी NCRT revise करो, PYQs करो, questions करो, extra questions करो. That's more than enough. For people who are like at 50, 100, want to go 300, 320, 330, बहुत सिंपल सा तरीका है यार, that I went through, that I actually made sure कि मैं खुद पहले try करूँ, and then I'm telling you, I'll get a lot criticized when I say don't read NCRT. Okay, why? It's a huge book. It has so much information. So my concern is कि पहले आप अपना syllabus complete करो. PW again, not sponsored. This is something I use. That's why I'm telling you. Anything in this video is not sponsored. PW has given mind maps which are uploaded on my Telegram already, जो हमने पिछले नीट से पहले भी बहुत बार रिवाइज किया था. एंड 100 to 150 नंबर बढ़ना यार एक वीक में इज नॉट अ जोक. दैट माइंड मैप वंस यू रिवाइज, उसमें एनसीईआरटी बहुत ही क्रिस्प तरीके से दी गई है. सो वंस यू रीड दैट, रिवाइज दैट, प्रैक्टिस दैट, it will take you more than, sorry, it will take you less than 1 hour, 2 hour for one chapter, and then do biohack. What is biohack? Biohack is NCRT in question form. What is mind map? It is NCRT in point versions. Okay, once you're done with one chapter. Now again read biohack. So now this time when you do biohack, you're going to do from the PDF. You're going to answer every question, and whichever question you're not able to answer, now take out your NCRT and highlight those points, ताकि अब आपको पता है कि आपको NCRT से क्या नहीं आता है. Now is the perfect time to read NCRT. If you do this again and again with every chapter, mind maps, biohack, again biohack, then NCRT, it will take you a week to complete your whole syllabus. There are few chapters which are very tough to crack. That is molecular basis of inheritance. Evolution मुझे personally tough लगता है. Biotech थोड़ा सा समझने वाला है. With like मैंने प्लांट किंगडम लेक्चर से करने की कोशिश की. It took me 1 day. Whole nothing happened. Then I did it from mind maps क्योंकि मुझे आदत है लिख लिख के याद करने की, पर्सनली खुद याद करने की. So until that doesn't happen, मेरे दिमाग में कुछ. So once I did that, I was so good with it. And then I did biohack 3 times, and now that chapter is on my fingertips. Now you're supposed to do PYQs. Okay, use Marks app, use Lakshya Bhaiya ka. Abhi he's Pyrexia. That is the app that he has given. That's really good for PYQs. It's free for PYQs now. I really want to support creators which I really really admire, and Lakshya Bhaiya is one of them. Lakshya Ambasta, by the way, you can check. I guess that's right. Uske baad, every day give a mock, not full syllabus, biology mock. That is, New Light is very good. Akash Ellen is fine. They are also good. But New Light I really like. Pranav Pundrik sir ने भी अपना एक HMP mock है. I guess that is very very good. Every day one mock. Garima Goyal ma'am is taking 2 mocks a day. One she's taking, one she's sending. Make sure to give one at least this week. Every day one, then increase it to every day 2. Because the number of questions you'll do, you'll get to know आप कहाँ गलती कर रहे हो. Now you know the content. That's why you're not scoring 350 or 330 or 340, and you're scoring 290, 300ish, because you do mistakes. So once you do PYQs and you do all this MCQ of different sorts, आपका दिमाग खुलता है कि okay, this can be done in this way as well. I guess moreover यही है कि अभी आप पहले अपना syllabus complete करो, and then उसको perfect करना through NCRT. अभी ही आप साइंटिस्ट के नाम याद करोगे, अभी ही आप सारे डायग्राम्स याद कर लोगे. I'm not against NCRT. That is for someone who's read it throughout the year, not someone who's waiting कि अब strategy आएगी तो अब, right? It's a beautiful subject, everyone. That's such a waste. By the way, हमारे पिछले meet sessions पे we had 200 people approximately. 3 days or 2 days, 48 hours we took. We revised whole NCRT, whole biohack, whole of bio. People have scored so well just in 1 week of revision from the same very technique. कोई नहीं बताता ये. The problem is NCERT के लाइन से क्वेश्चन आते हैं बट मेनली उन्हीं लाइन से आते हैं. आई टेल यू, आपका 290 का कंटेंट तो माइंड मैप्स में है, बाकी आगे का आप रिवाइज करोगे एनसीईआरटी वो हो जाएगा. Stick through the strategy, complete your biology within this week. We are conducting our mock sessions, everybody, where we'll be revising whole of biology in 2 days, 2 to 3 days. I say 48 hours because एक दिन में 10 घंटे पढ़ते हैं हम, 10 से 12 hardly, so it takes 3 days and 48 hours like that. So this is the way you can complete your biology and score really really good in this. Please पहले एनसीईआरटी मत पढ़ना, जो चैप्टर्स नहीं किए उनकी तो बिल्कुल मत पढ़ना, कुछ भी समझ नहीं आता है. 2 teachers I want to right now says they are taking lectures that are really good. That is Garima Goyal ma'am. I really admire her teaching. She's really good. वो अभी lectures करा रही है, आप उनको देखो, वो PDF दे रही है, उनको याद करो बैठ के. याद करना ही जरूरी है, रीड करना जरूरी नहीं है. आप रीड करोगे करोगे पैसिवली रीड होने लगता है एक पॉइंट पे, राइट. अनदर वन, सीप पहुजा मैम, अन अकेडमी ओनली. शी इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग क्लासेस एंड शी ऑल्सो टेक्स वेरी गुड क्लासेस. मेक श्योर कि आप बहुत 6-6 घंटे के लेक्चर्स ना करके समय बर्बाद ना करें. मैंने अपने 3 दिन कर दिए हैं. चौथे से मुझे समझ आ गया कि वॉट आई वॉज डूइंग इज राइट. I get influenced by people and their comments, but I think that one strategy I'm very confident about, and you cannot shake my grounds on that. So that was it for this video. Thank you for sticking through. We are 2,000 subscribers in, and it's been 1 month since my YouTube journey has started, and I'm so grateful for everything that has come my way. And here to give you a beautiful journey and context that every race, every fight that is done with yourself, you'll win. But every fight you do with the world, you'll lose at points. So grow at your own pace. That was it for this video. Thank you for staying through. Thank you. Please study biology a lot. That gives you 360. And अगर tough paper आ गया, 500 का cut off होता है जिसमें 525 का cut off. So you know what you have. Thank you. Bye.